Today, we're tackling the question, can you pay in cash for DoorDash? It's a topic that seems simple, but as we delve into it, you'll see there's more to consider than you might initially think. Let's start by understanding how DoorDash operates. DoorDash is a popular food delivery platform that connects customers with local restaurants. Users order through the app, a dasher, delivery person, picks up the order, and then delivers it to the customer's doorstep. The process is designed to be quick, efficient, and cashless. The key term here is cashless. Historically, DoorDash's business model is built around electronic transactions. This means payment is made through the app using credit or debit cards, PayPal, or other digital wallets. The primary reason for this approach is to streamline the process, ensuring that all transactions are secure, quick, and easy to track for both customers and dashers. However, there's an exception to the rule. In select markets and under specific circumstances, DoorDash has tested the option for customers to pay in cash. This is not the norm and is relatively rare. When cash is an option, it's typically indicated in the app at checkout. The cash payment method is intended to make the service accessible to a wider audience, including those who may not have access to digital payment methods. The cash option, when available, introduces a different dynamic to the delivery process. For dashers, accepting cash payments could mean handling money directly, which can be less convenient and potentially less safe than electronic payments. It also introduces the need for dashers to make change and manage money while on the move. In conclusion, while DoorDash is predominantly a cashless service, there are isolated instances where cash payments are accepted. Whether or not you can pay in cash depends on your location and the specific policies in place at the time of your order. Thank you for watching. It's important to remember that the digital economy is ever evolving, and services like DoorDash continually adapt to meet the needs of their users. Whether you're paying in cash or electronically, DoorDash aims to make food delivery convenient and accessible for everyone. Stay informed on the payment options available to you and enjoy the convenience of food delivery right to your door.